gosh, day 2 is done. Wow. Are you guys as crazy enthusiastic as I am about getting all of these systems running in your business? OMG, the speakers truly brought it today. And I'm super, super excited that you are here and that you are gaining this information and able to take it and plug it into your business right now. So just a couple of short reminders. Make sure that you go through all of these videos in the next 24-hour period. They will be live for 24 hours, all for you to consume. And if you decide that you do not have time to get to all of them in 24 hours, make sure you grab that all access pass. That is a wonderful, wonderful steal. Not only do you get all of the live versions from every single speaker that you're watching right now, but you get every single one of those much deeper dives that I take with every single one of our speakers. You do not want to miss that one, guys. So also make sure that you click on the links below the speaker videos. There's a number of different links there, not only to connect with your speakers, but also I've provided products and service that have helped me along the way. And I wanted to make sure that you guys had those available to you. So as you go through this process, you can stay firmly planted in your zone of genius while up-leveling your business and serving your tribe. So great to have you here. Cannot wait for tomorrow. And I will see you inside the summit. Bye, everyone.